The first half of this video has a lot of still photos. I wasn't sure how to film some of the procedures, or I just didn't want to bother. By the second half, I was more confident in what I was doing. Therefore, there's more motion pictures. So enjoy. I like using wooden drawer slides. They're cheap and they work well once coated with some wax. In a previous video, I showed them being cut and prepared from hard maple 4x4 billets. Here I'm drilling the pilot holes with a combination drill and countersink bit. A simple fence made with a piece of scrap plywood keeps the drill bit centered on the drawer slides. I had previously marked the hole locations with a pencil. An air gun is very convenient for clearing the drilling chips. A still photo of some of the completed drawer slides. Scrap plywood used as spacer blocks to accurately locate the height of the drawer slides. I chose to use pocket hole screws to attach the second half of the partitions. They're very strong and easy to use. I never used pocket hole screws before, so I got the cheapest pocket hole drilling guide available. It was only 20 bucks. It works great and I will be using it again for other shop projects. The drawer slide blanks were too long to use a stop block to set the cut length on the chop saw, so I had to eyeball each cut. I had to be very careful power driving the screws so as not to strip them out, so I followed up with a hand screwdriver just to be sure they were driven home.